Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix apps won't open on Android devices. So first of all, you're going to have to locate which application are you having trouble opening. So for example, head over to your Play Store. Let's say if it's maybe Instagram, you're going to have to search for Instagram and update your application. If you see update, tap on update, and if you see open, that means your application is already updated. For example, if you're having problem with Facebook, you're going to have to search for Facebook. Now, once you do that, head over to your settings app. As you do that, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. Now search for the application where you're having problem, let's say Instagram for now. It will load up Instagram for you in this page. Tap onto your Instagram application once you see it. Scroll below, then tap on storage. As you do that, clear the cache. And then force stop the application. Tap OK. Now restart your device and likewise the application will work just fine. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.